The book of Ezekiel, chapter 13. And the word of YAHUAH came to me, saying, Son of man, prophesy against the prophets of Yahshar'el who prophesy, and say to those who prophesy out of their own heart, Hear the word of YAHUAH. Thus said the Master Yah, Woe to the foolish prophets who are following their own spirit without having had a vision. O Yahshar'el, your prophets have been like foxes among ruins. You have not gone up into the breaches, nor do you build a wall for the house of Yahshar'el to stand in battle on the day of YAHUAH. Their visions are false, and their divinations a lie, saying, Thus declares YAHUAH, when YAHUAH has not sent them. Yet they expected the word to be confirmed. Have you not seen a false vision? And have you not spoken a divination of lies? You say, YAHUAH declares, when I have not spoken. Therefore, thus said the Master Yah, because you have spoken falsehood and seen lies, therefore, see, I am against you, declares the Master Yah. My hand shall be against the prophets who see falsehood and who divine lies. They shall not be in the counsel of my people, nor be written in the record of the house of Yahshar'el, and they shall not enter into the land of Yahshar'el. And you shall know that I am the Master YAHUAH, because they have led my people astray, saying, Peace, when there is no peace. And when one is building a wall, see, they are coating it with whitewash. Say to those who coat it with whitewash, it shall fall. There shall be flooding, rain, and you, O great hailstones, fall, and a stormy wind breaks it down. And see, the wall shall fall. Shall you not be asked, Where is the coating with which you coated it? Therefore, thus said the Master Yah, I shall break down with a stormy wind in my wrath, and a flooding rain in my displeasure, and great hailstones in my wrath to consume. And I shall throw down the wall you have coated with whitewash, and bring it down to the ground, and its foundation shall be uncovered, and it shall fall, and you shall be consumed in the midst of it. And you shall know that I am YAHUAH. So I shall complete my wrath on the wall, and on those coating it with whitewash, and say to you, The wall is no more, nor those whitewashing it, the prophets of Yahshar'el who are prophesying concerning Jerusalem, and who are seeing visions of peace for her when there is no peace, declares the Master Yah. And you, son of man, set your face against the daughters of your people who are prophesying out of their own heart, and prophesy against them. And you shall say, This is what the Master Yah said. Woe to the woman sewing cushions for all joints of the hand, and to those making veils for the heads of the people of every size to hunt beings. You hunt the beings of my people, while you keep alive your own beings. And you have profaned me among my people for handfuls of barley and for pieces of bread, to put to death beings that should not die, and to keep alive beings who should not live, by your lying to my people who listen to lies. Therefore, thus said the Master Yah, See, I am against your cushions by which you hunt the beings there like birds, and I shall tear them from your arms, and shall let the beings go, the beings you hunt like birds. And I shall tear off your veils, and shall deliver my people out of your hand, and they shall no longer be as prey in your hand. And you shall know that I am YAHUAH. Because with falsehood you have made the heart of the righteous sad, whom I have not made sad, and you have strengthened the hands of the wrong, so that he does not turn from his evil way to keep him alive. Therefore, you shall no longer see false visions, nor practice divination, and I shall deliver my people out of your hand, and you shall know that I am YAHUAH.